भाजपा सरकारान वेंचणुकाच्या काळात गोंयांक खासा दर्जो दितले म्हण जनतेक आश्वासन दिल्लें. मात आतां 5 वर्सां जालीं तरी सरकाराक दिल्लें उतर पाळपाक यश येवना म्हण सरकारान जनतेची चूक मागची अशी मागणी गोवा काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुइजिनो फालेरो हांणी केला. आरडेक्स खाती पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Demanding special status for Goa under Article 371 of the Constitution. And right now there has been effort to confuse the people of Goa, because you must understand, special status involves two parts: the financial benefit and the protection of Goa's identity. Now, the resolution which was moved in the Legislative Assembly on 15th of April 2013 was under Article 371 of the Constitution. And Article 371 of the Constitution is to protect Goa's identity or resign. Because poor promises are solemn promises, they are very sacred, and the government should not shirk its responsibility, because both the government at the state and the central government belongs to the BJP party, and both the present chief minister, the earlier chief minister, the present prime minister had given the solemn assurance to the people of Goa, and they should honor it.